Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this Zevia orange. This I got at Costco, and here is the nutrient label, and there's the ingredients. Carbonated water, citric acid, and stevia natural flavors. Let's do a quick taste test. And there we go. Okay, so I've tried pretty much a lot of these Zevia flavors. This is probably my least favorite. It has the orange aroma, but it's not really strong. And like compared to like grape is like really strong aroma. This is mild. It's okay. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.